Super Life is super. I am Dr. Maha from Super Life Headquarters, Malaysia. I am sharing with you on the wonders of STC30, our flagship product. Today, Super Life has gone to 43 over countries and has touched almost 200,000 members globally simply because of this wonderful product, STC30, and our whole unique system that we have. We are the new age network marketing business where we go globally online and we help people through their smartphone technology, where people can reach out others and share with them a very powerful business package. And in this business package, they have this very powerful four features, where number one, we have a self-care health product. Number two, we have self-care wealth creation program. And thirdly, we have global technopreneurship coaching program. And we also have global super leadership training program. All this comes to this powerful package that you participate. And today I'm going to touch on STC30, which is the foundation for our self-care health program. You see, we are using wellness technology. Wellness technology based on biotech and using nano. Nano means 1 billionth of the molecules. We extract from the plants, the trees of the plants, 1 billionth of the molecules. You see, they say, for everything I have something in the plants. And this was written in all the scriptures. From the fruits I give you food, from the leaves I give you medicine. And we are going back to that traditional Mother Nature. They call it natural naturopathy. And STC30 has got 6 powerful ingredients. Our first ingredient is Phytosaltac domestica. Phytosaltac domestica is from this apple. Okay, this is the extract, Phytosaltac domestica, and it's an apple called Utpila spotloba. This apple is a very unique apple. It's called miracle apple, and it's found in the Alps mountain. And centuries ago, the royalties were using this for longevity, for beauty and all. And it has got 2 powerful properties. Number one, it has got self-healing property, which means if you cut the surface with a knife or you prick it with a nail, it can heal itself. Secondly, if you leave an apple, normally if you leave an apple, what happens? The apple will shrink and oxidate and becomes black and all. But Utpila spotloba will be fresh for 6 months. That's the beauty. So we extract stem cells from this apple. We also use Solavitis grapes, and these grapes come from Burgundy. The best wine come from this grape. Okay, so these are the 2 ingredients where we extract our stem cells from. What are stem cells? Stem cells are mother cells, which are also produced by humans from our bone marrow. And our peak for this production of these stem cells is actually about age 35. After that, we go on a senescence mode where the production goes lower. And that is why when people get older, they tend to have wrinkles and they tend to have sickness. All our sickness in our DNA passed on by our forefathers. And when they hit 40s, we hit 40s and all, our cells go down, our immune system goes down, and the sickness prevail. And today, even youngsters are having all these issues simply because of our lifestyle. And where we don't care for the food that we are consuming, we don't care the environment, all that is contributing towards our body's malfunctioning. Okay, so something in our body is not happy. What is not happy? Our cells are not happy. And when the cells are not happy, tissues are not happy. When tissues are not happy, our organs are not happy. We have 12 vital organs that run our entire system. Our endocrine system, our urinary system, our respiratory system, our skeletal system, muscle system, all the systems are run by these organs. So they play a vital role. So the organs are run by tissues. Tissues are run by cells. So we have 6 ingredients, 2 of which I shared is the stem cells. And next we have this bilberry extract. Bilberry or blueberry is a very expensive berry. And normally people use this for a lot of healing properties. And so we use nano and we extract from this bilberry plant. Okay, and then we have what we call as blackcurrant. You see, blackcurrant has got very high source of vitamin C, which are very important for our whole system. So we also use this blackcurrant extract. Okay, then you see, you may find that combination in other companies. but we are the first company in the world to combine with glizodin, and this glizodin extract, okay, glizodin comes from isocell fronds and it plays a vital role. You see, one end we have stem cell, the other hand we have glizodin. What are glizodin? Glizodin is a source for SOD. SOD is superoxidate dismutase, which is the highest antioxidant found in our human body. In 1968, scientists found out that we human bodies, we also produce this SOD. And what is the role of SOD? You see, we have oxygen which moves around our system, and as oxygen moves around our system, oxygen also releases a waste, and that waste is called pathogen, it's called pathogen or free radicals. If there are trillions of cells, there are trillions of pathogens or free radicals. And what does this pathogen do? They sit on our cells, they scavenge the food that is supposed to be eaten by the cells. And that's why our cells are deprived from food. And then what happens, they die naturally and they are not able to function properly. So because of these free radicals, today scientists found out a lot of cases like diabetic, hypertension and all that is simply because of free radicals. So God created this SOD into us, in our system, superoxidate dismutase, where one component of SOD can counter 1 million of free radicals. But today, due to our lifestyle, even that is not functioning properly. So what the scientists in France did in year 1998, they found out that this fruit, cantaloupe, is a kind of melon that migrated from India to France, that this fruit has got very high source of SOD, more than what humans produce. So they extracted from that, and we have put it into our sachet. Then we have this gliadin. Gliadin is a kind of wheat which actually transports the whole SOD into the system, and both combined together we call it glizodin. So we are the first company to combine stem cells with glizodin. And that is why our product is doing wonderfully well. It's a complete food for the cells. If you are taking it for the first time, and you have to take it under the tongue, you put it under the tongue because of sublingual effect. Okay, first thing in the morning, you take the sachet like this. Okay, in each box we'll have a sachet. You just have to take the sachet like this, and you have to cut it and put it under the tongue. Why under the tongue? Sublingual effect. Because our micro nerves are here, and this is nano, 1 billionth of the molecules. They go into these micro nerves and direct into our bloodstream, and then from our heart is pumped into all the system. So it goes direct to the cells and feed the cells. One sachet is like complete for the whole day. Okay, a sachet a day will keep sickness at bay. I'm not saying doctors away. We need doctors, but we don't want sickness. So this is a complete food. And who needs this? If you ask me, everybody needs this now. The younger you are, actually you need this more than people like me. I'm 57 years old, and I'm taking this for repair, for rejuvenation, revitalization and regeneration of the cells. Younger people, they need to take this for the 3R. Revitalization, rejuvenation and regeneration. Simply because today young people are depriving themselves. Number one, they don't eat balanced food, they don't eat mother's cooking, they eat most of the time outside. And then too much of fast food, too much hurry, too much worry and too much curry. All these are contributing towards young people getting sickness much earlier in life. And they also deprive sleep. Today with the advent of social media, people are actually depriving sleep. The younger you are, the more sleep you need. So if you deprive your sleep, you need to balance it. You need to have something to balance it. And what about sunlight? After 10 o'clock in the morning, the sunlight is very important for us, for calcium production, for vitamin D and all that. But today, even young people, they hardly see the sunlight. So, exposure to technology. We cannot be away without technology. There are a lot of radiation created by technology. Even the phone that we use, microwave and everything around us is scientifically designed, so it are creating kind of radiation which are also harming our cells. What about toxic? Today, everything is toxic. The environment is toxic, the food that we eat is toxic. So all these are also contributing. So something in our body is not happy. What is not happy? Something is not at ease. our cells are not at ease. And that is why in English we call sickness a dis-ease. Cells not at ease. So we have this where the first thing in the morning, when you put it under the tongue, it will go right to the cells and it will revitalize, rejuvenate and regenerate the cells. Those people who have some kind of sickness, those people who are already in the 30s and 40s, it will not only rejuvenate, revitalize and regenerate, it will also repair. Okay, they repair the cells. And when the repair is taken care, then naturally the health becomes better. So you can be energetic and you can become powerful to perform whatever we are supposed to perform. Our performance is determined by our body. Our body is determined by our health. So our health is very important. So STC30 is a complete food for our cells, guys. So enjoy our products, enjoy our system. So understand the concept of our STC30. The concept is simple, using wellness technology to enhance our cells. Okay, that's our concept. The features are, we have got 6 powerful ingredients, and these ingredients are coming from Mother Nature. We are putting our system back to Mother Nature, in the hands of Mother Nature, at the lap of Mother Nature, through these powerful ingredients. Then the benefits are, 1 sachet a day will keep sickness at bay. And you just need to take 1 sachet, and after that you want to eat for hunger, you want to eat for thirst, is totally up to you. Okay, so take a STC30, 1 sachet a day. Super life is super. Dr. Maha signing off from Malaysia.